Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Windows 10 virtual machine with VirtualBox. So, first you'll obviously need to download VirtualBox. So, VirtualBox download. Gotta go. Make sure it's this one. Stop. Okay. Make sure it's this one. Press Windows Hosts. And once you're in the Windows host, let me move this. Yeah, once you're in the Windows hosts, it's a pretty easy setup, like pretty normal. Just go through the steps. Now once you have that, then you'll have to go to the media creation tool that's on Microsoft's website. So just search Windows 10 media creation tool. Search that. There should be. Press download. Just have to download the tool. And once you press download, it's actually pretty simple. Like I think it's like a portable program. I think because it runs almost immediately. There's no setup wizard. It's immediate. So now once you would have that downloaded, you would press media creation tool. I have multiple because I have multiple versions of Windows for this media creation tool. So here's the Windows 10 setup. This will take a couple seconds. I already have the ISO file, but I would just show you what it would look like. This is my ISO file. This is the one that was created by the media creation tool. So I just need to wait because this is taking ages. Here we go. You would accept and come on. Come on. Come on. Stupid. Okay. Once this is ready, you would press create installation media, press next. Choose whichever one you want. If you were making like a USB, then I would recommend you press both, but because we already know our settings and we already know our system configuration, we're just going to leave it at Windows 10 64-bit, and then you would press next. You would press ISO file, and then you would press next, and it would download. If I press next, it'll give me a location to add it, but I'm not going to because I already have it, and it takes like it also expect this to take a while. Windows 10 is like 4 point something gigabytes in size. It's pretty big, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to close the installer. Yeah, expect it to take a long time. So, here's my Windows 10 ISO that I have right here. And now I'm going to open up VirtualBox. Here we go. So, here it is. And, come on. I'm getting a call. Okay. Alright, now that we're here, I already have a few stuff. Don't question it. But I already have a couple of Windows ones here. So we're just gonna create a new one just for, yeah. So we're just gonna do Windows 10 YouTube. You can locate it wherever you want. Windows. Make sure it's set to Windows 10 and the Microsoft Windows, and make sure it's 64-bit. You don't want 32-bit. Now this you can set as much RAM as you want. I just recommend it to set it more than 2 gigabytes. Under 2, it's not going to run very well. So, yeah. I'm going to give it 6 gigabytes because I have 16 gigabytes of RAM on my computer. If you have 8, I'd recommend you give it like 2 or 3. If you have 4, just give it 1. I mean, yeah. It won't run very well, but you know. VDI, dynamic. Okay, so here's what these are. Dynamically allocated, which means that you can set like a limit of how much the virtual machine can use, but it'll fill up slowly of how much stuff you put on it. And the fixed size means that no matter what, from the host OS, which is like your operating system, it's always gonna look like 50 gigabytes and and no more, no less. So, and also fixed size takes a little bit longer to make, so I'm just going to do dynamically allocated. So I'm going to give it 35. I'll give it 35 gigabytes. I'd recommend you do this like 35 or higher because like Windows 10 will only run on 32. I would recommend you give it at least 35. So you have like space for stuff. But if you want to do it less, you can try, but I wouldn't recommend it. You press create, and you may think that you're done, but you're actually not. You still need this. Because the thing is that there's no OS on it yet. So you need to insert the ISO file. So to the virtual machine, it appears that it's a Windows 10 bootable disk. So we press choose a disk file, find the disk image that you had before, the one up here, and you press open. Yeah, it should be like right here, Windows 10 ISO. Now, you power on. I don't know why it was minimized, but yeah, here's your thing. Alright, so we're just going to go through the setup here. I would show you, I'm going to continue through the setup just in case you don't know how to set up Windows 10. But you can put in your product key. I'm not going to put one in because like I don't want to waste your product key on a virtual machine that I'm going to delete later. So, any version you want. I'm just going to do Windows 10 Home for this demonstration. Just going to make this... Yeah, there we go. I accept the license terms. Do not upgrade. It won't work because there's nothing on this virtual machine. So press custom. And then you would just press this. There should only be one. And this is the size that we set earlier. So we're going to set it to that. And the reason that was so quick is because copying Windows files, that's only applicable if you have a previous version of Windows on the computer. Like if you're upgrading from like 8 to 10 or 7 to 10 or something like that. So I'm gonna come back when this is finished. So yeah, it's going surprisingly quickly though. Like this installed faster than my own computer, surprisingly. All right, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna come back later.
We are trying to reach you to provide you with information on our newest PPO plan. Starting at only $150.
I got a scam call.
You will receive unlimited doctor's visits, urgent care, hospitalization, surgery benefits, accident, dental, vision, and more. Also, you can keep and choose your own doctors nationwide, but mainly you are not subject to deductibles. To reserve your application and get approved instantly, press 1 to speak to an agent, or your call is being...
I got this call on my scam number. Hello? 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 What? Come on. It literally transferred me to like, I don't even freaking know. I'm just gonna pause the video again. Never mind, I just realized it's almost done. That was surprisingly quick. So if you want the resolution to be bigger, you'll have to install this thing called VirtualBox Guest Editions. Don't do that. And then that will add you like some features. It'll also install some drivers for VirtualBox, so then you can have sound and whatnot. And also it will let you do much bigger resolutions because Without drivers, you're stuck in like 1024 by 768. I think right now it's even stuck in 800 by 600, which is not great. So I would have to wait. I'm still waiting, still waiting, still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. Woo. So, yeah, it appears that we're going to be here for a while. It appears we're going to be here for a while. Yes. Yeah. 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 I'll come back when this is finished. It rebooted. I don't know if I should be concerned, because it doesn't usually do that. Oh well, we'll find out. I think it's actually booting into the setup now. So. Oh, and also, I will say there are some better virtual machine programs out there. But VirtualBox only supports up to 128 megabytes of video memory, so don't expect to be gaming or doing a lot of intensive tasks on here. I'm mostly just doing it for fun stuff. I mean, maybe in a future video I'll show you how to install Red Star OS, the communist OS from Korea, or from North Korea. So yeah, it appeared. Yep. It just booted into the setup. I don't have any sound right now, but it just booted into the setup. My God, let me set up already. Stop! I've probably done the Windows 10 setup 1,000 times. Just let me do it. I've probably done it like 1,000 times. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Yes, enough intro. Okay. We're in the Windows 10 setup. I'm just gonna go do this random crap. Come on. US. Skip. I'm not even gonna sign into a Microsoft account or anything, cause like, yeah, I just want to show you how to do this. So, if you don't know how to set up Windows 10, this is how you would do it. So, yeah. Yaha. Yaha. Woo woo. Mm-hmm. Da, 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 da. The friggin' thing isn't loading. Stupid. Please don't turn off your device. Okay, I won't turn it off. I'll just pause when it finishes, when the loading. Okay, we are unpaused. It finally finished doing its thing. So we are just going to, I don't want to create an account. No! I don't want to sign into a Microsoft account. I thought you could sign in without a Microsoft account. No! Dingus. What? I don't want a freaking Microsoft account. Fine, I'll sign into my freaking Microsoft account just for a YouTube video. The things I'll do for you guys. Okay, I had to sign into my freaking Microsoft account. Yay. Yes, hacked me. Fine. Your mom is fat. Nope. Yay. Yes. Okay. I don't like Windows right now. My God. That's why I only give it... I don't... Yes, take my info, Microsoft. Take my credit card. Take my location. Take my identity. Skip. My God! No, I don't! You stupid. Come on. Come on. Okay. I don't want to do this. Why am I spending this much friggin' time on a video? What do you mean access grant? No! I don't want Microsoft 365. I ditched my subscription for Google Drive. Stupid. No, I don't want Cortana. I'm gonna delete this virtual machine later anyway. Stop! I don't care, Cortana. I don't want you helping out. You're trying to be Siri, and I don't like that. Okay, now we wait for eternity while this friggin' thing loads. Oh, great. Now we wait eternity. This might take several minutes. I don't friggin' care. Why does it do this? Huh? I don't want to sign into a Microsoft account. I don't want to sign into a Microsoft account. Alright, I'm just going to come back when this is done. Yay! We are at the desktop. Okay. Now that you're at the desktop, you can stop the video here, but before you do, you may not like the resolution that it runs in. Also, you probably want sound, so all you'll need to do is you have to press on devices here at the top of the virtual machine window and then press insert guest edition CD. So now that you have it inserted, go to your file explorer, go here, and install it. So, yeah. This will give you extra features like sound and Wi-Fi drivers. It'll also give you more resolutions and whatnot. And, yeah. It should tell you to restart. I reboot now. Yeah. You have to reboot after you do this. And, yeah. So yeah, that's the virtual machines for you. And now the virtual machine will resize to how big your window is. So, yeah. Now it will do this. At least maybe you have to do it to the desktop. Come on. I want to get done with this video. I'm sitting here for 20 minutes about friggin' virtual machines. Hello. My dingus. Yay! And it's frozen now. Great. Just amazing. Okay, here you go. Finally, so now you can resize it. Now you have sound. That's fun. I can't hear it because my sound's muted, but yay! Now you have graphics drivers and crap. Yay! Okay, take your stupid virtual machine. What the frick is this? Nice. Well, yeah. Now you have your virtual machine, and that's how you do virtual machines in Windows. So, yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Oh my God, I'm tired. Bye.